Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential concept in object-oriented programming: inheritance. But wait, is inheritance always the best choice? In this video, we'll explore the limitations of inheritance in OOP and why it might cause more issues than you think. Let's get started. Inheritance is a key feature in object-oriented programming that allows one class to inherit properties and methods from another. Think of it as a family tree. The child class inherits traits from its parent class, which makes the code more reusable and efficient. But as you'll see, the power of inheritance comes with its limitations. Let's break them down. When you use inheritance, the program has to go through multiple classes in the inheritance hierarchy to execute the correct code. If your class structure is deep, this process can become slower and impact performance. Imagine your program is like a multi-story building. The deeper the classes, the longer it takes to find what you need. Another limitation is the tight coupling between the parent and child classes. When two classes are tightly coupled, any changes made to the parent class might require corresponding changes in all the child classes. This means if you make an update or fix a bug in the parent class, you may need to adjust multiple child classes. This can lead to extra work and even introduce new bugs in the child classes. Let's say your company has a main office, the parent class, and multiple branches, the child classes. If you change the layout of the main office, you'll need to adjust the branches accordingly. It's a lot of work. Inheritance can increase complexity, especially when there are too many layers. If you have a deeply nested class structure, it can become confusing and difficult to manage. This often results in what developers call inheritance hell. Sometimes classes inherit methods they don't need, adding unnecessary complexity and making the codebase harder to maintain. To avoid this, it's important to carefully design your class hierarchy to ensure that each class only inherits what it truly needs. One of the trickiest issues with inheritance is hidden bugs. When a child class inherits from a parent class, changes in the parent can unexpectedly affect the child class, sometimes leading to bugs that are difficult to track down. Imagine updating the parent class, only to realize that a small change breaks functionality in child classes. These bugs can be elusive and hard to spot. So, if inheritance is causing too many problems, what can you do? Luckily, there are alternatives. One option is composition, where you create classes by combining objects rather than inheriting from them. Another option is interfaces. They define a contract that classes can implement without inheriting from each other. These alternatives can lead to looser coupling, more flexible code, and better maintainability. Think about this in terms of a family business. If the family inherits the business, changes in the parent's strategy might affect everyone. But if the family starts their own separate businesses, composition, they have more freedom to adapt without impacting the other businesses. So, while inheritance is an incredibly useful tool in OOP, it comes with its own set of challenges. It can slow down performance, create tight dependencies, increase complexity, and even hide bugs. To avoid these pitfalls, consider using alternatives like composition or interfaces when designing your programs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming insights, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.